Good afternoon again. It's me, Jose Jefferson Cuesta, student of Soccer University of the degree in English, 8 semesters, and today, or this time, I'm going to talk about how to extract the main idea and key detail from our speech, right? So it's going to be based on Stephen Jobs. So Stephen Jobs was a great scientist, he was a great person, pretty intelligent, and had a lot of times a part of the difficulty that he had to live in his life with his sickness, with illness. But from where he was most of the time, all the time, since he got this problem, was in a wheelchair and communicating to the people through a machine, and continue working in what he loved, in what he really enjoyed, and basically enjoying also his family, right? Close people to him, that was the most important. So I want to start saying that Steve Jobs, in his speech, he invites us to reflect on the important themes that we must value in life, focusing on family, first on family, and considering the family like the most important instead of the material themes. Material themes come and go, but family just can live once. Your family members live once, your friends live once, your close people live once, because this is just one life, and no matter what you do, you cannot come back, right? So he also said that we gotta enjoy what we do, right? And what he enjoys is the same thing that I enjoy. That's what I agree with his thought. I enjoy the most important in my life, that is my family, and what I do for a living, that is teaching English, right? So, and I think that since the most I love is my family, the most important thing for me is my family, the most that I love. That's why I think that when I'm with my family, I really try to enjoy. I say I think because sometimes people can see different things, right? But what I really feel, what I really have, and what I really do is the same thing that he invited us to do. I mean, talking about Steve Jobs. I really enjoy sharing time with my family and working, teaching English, being part of not say the superhero, but trying to do something in order to change society. Basically, changing the psychological poverty that students have. Yeah, because of our system, because of our society problems, because of the corruption and everything. So, I want to say this if I'm talking about Steve Jobs, because it didn't matter of what he had to live. It just mattered what he felt for his family, what he felt for the thing that he used to do, and that's what I do now. All right, so let me tell you something that is very nice. I want to invite you also to every single moment share together with your family, like I do, like Stephen Jobs used to do. Everything else is secondary. Material things are secondary things, in a secondary stage, right? And I want to try to quote some Steve Jobs words. He says, your time is limited, so do not waste it reading other people's comments. It means, as a summary of his words, is like, do your things. Enjoy your life. Let history behind that other people can see yours. Don't be focused on other people's story. Make your own. That's what I'm trying to do. Make my own. Like I said before, I totally agree with this guy. Yeah. No matter, enjoy what you do. Enjoy your life. Enjoy and love your close family and close friends. Be patient Be passionate about what you do. No matter how many times, if you have to start, do it again. You have to start from zero, do it. This time you are going to do it wiser because you already got the knowledge. Yeah? And do it until you get it. No matter the stumbles, because from then you and I learn. And in they let us be better every day. They let us improve ourselves every day. So, thanks teacher for these words. And I really feel happy that I do agree with this. Thanks again to you, teacher, for let us be part of this beautiful process with you being our guider. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Yeah, do not forget, family comes first, material things come second. Life is once, live it as much as you can, as if it were the last date.